Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys all about my Remington ceramic hot rollers and how I use them to achieve soft, glamorous waves. So they come in a set of pins and clips, and the rollers come in three sizes: small, medium, and large. And this is what they look like when they're completely cold. You can see right there's a indicator to show when the rollers are hot and ready to go, and right there is to show when they're on. So this is what it looks like when it's completely hot. Right there it's completely white, as you can see, and I like to pick them up at the edges. They don't get too hot, but yeah, you generally want to refrain from holding them in the middle. So now I'm just going to part my hair into two sections, and I like to begin at the bottom just because I like my curls to be super tight and less loose than in front. So I pin my hair up and I just start brushing out the kinks just to ensure that it's completely smooth before I roll my hair. And I generally use small rollers for these sections because I really like the curls to be tight since they are at the bottom. I start at the ends of my hair and I roll it up to the roots, and then I clip it in place, and I just repeat this process throughout my hair. So that's what they look like, completely rolled up. I look crazy right now, but it's completely worth it. I like to keep the rollers in until they're completely cold, but if I'm in a hurry, then I leave them in for about 15 minutes while I get my makeup done or I get dressed. Now I'm just replying some messages and browsing Instagram while waiting for my rollers to get cold. Now I'm just going to take out the rollers, and I start at the end, which was the beginning initially, and I just take out the rollers the way that I put them in, the opposite way that I put them in, and look how springy and just glamorous they are. And I'm just going to take out the rest of the rollers the same way. So now that all my rollers are out, I take my fingers and I just run them through my hair just to break up the curls. I don't like to use a comb or a brush for this because I don't want to get rid of the curls entirely. I just want to loosen them up a bit until I can form them into the style that I want. So now I'm just brushing my hands through them and watching for how the curls fall, and that's just what I'm doing. So now I'm just going to go in with my comb and I start to form the curls, and I just like to take out the front part of my hair because I want to do something different when it comes to the front. So I focus more at the back, just forming them and just gathering them and making them look decent. So I'm just going to keep playing with my hair and tweaking it until I'm satisfied with how it looks, and this goes on for a while, so I'm just going to speed it up. At this point, I'm usually satisfied, and right here I would spray my hair just to set it for the rest of the day, but since it's a video I decided not to. I'm really happy with how it looks, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.